In this video, you will learn how to use and set up analysis reports in Orthodontic Planner. Also, you will learn how to customize your logo in the reports. To start, you will need to open the Ortho Control panel. Click the More button and then Settings. Now select the Ortho System tab and enter Ortho Materials and Settings. Click the Open button and accept the terms and conditions. In the Custom Report Configuration section, you are able to set up your own customized report types using report templates. Also, it is possible to add your company logo that will show up in analysis reports. Click Report Types to set which results of orthodontic analysis, prescriptions, or setups should be shown in your report. Do this by enabling items from the list. You can select whole groups or do this individually. It is possible to create various report types to be used in Orthodontic Planner. You can add new types, edit, or delete existing ones. You may add your own logo to a created analysis report. In order to do this, click Report Logo in the Custom Report Configuration section. Click the Browse button. Find and select your logo file and click Open to confirm your choice. You will notice that the miniature logo on the left has changed. The software enables various file formats like GIF, JPEG, portable network graphics, or bitmaps. It's very important that you press the Save button before you leave the Ortho Control panel. If you don't, then the logo change will be cancelled when closing the panel. After the logo file has been saved, all future reports will have it in the top right corner, as well as the 3Shape logo in the bottom left corner. In this video, you've learned how to set up and use the Ortho Analysis reports and how to add a customized logo to them. We hope this was helpful, and thank you for watching.